Hello everyone out there. This is Bernie Tully, Pennsylvania lawyer. Just trying to talk to you in a normal, like we'd be having a coffee kind of situation about some legal issues that come up that we get phone calls on a lot as a personal injury lawyer. And today's question is one that we've heard recently, namely, why is it so hard to get an attorney to take my airbag deployment case? You might think that, well, it's an open and shut case. My airbag went off and it hurt me. That's about half of it. But the reason why I think is this. The manufacturers, the car makers, Ford, General Motors, and the rest of them, they fight these kind of cases tooth and nail. And they will not go gently into the night by just saying, well, we're going to just write you an open check and you fill in the blanks as to how much. They will take hundreds of depositions to wear you down to the point where you don't want to do it anymore. And from the attorney's perspective, I think the reason is they're very costly. You have to take all kind of depositions. They paper you to death, is called in the law, with motions and other things like that. So unless you have a pretty strong case with serious injuries, it's awfully hard to get a personal injury attorney to take your case on an airbag deployment matter. However, there is one exception to that matter, other than one where it's blatant and the car manufacturers know or agree that they did it. That's if there's a defective airbag recall. If that happens, you're in a much better position because they're the car manufacturer knows they screwed up, and in that kind of case, you'd likely be able to pursue a claim. We do airbag deployment cases. Bernie Tully at 412-281-8700. If you have a question, I'll at least talk to you and give you my honest assessment. I don't try to make things up, or I'm not trying to wheel your case in just in order to get a case. I'll tell you honestly whether it's one that I think that you can be successful on or not. It's worth a phone call, 412-281-8700 or 1-800-518-0050. Give me a call. What do you have to lose?